What's up, guys? Welcome to the channel. I'm Caleb with Lawncraft, and it's been about a week since we top dressed, so it's time for an update. Back at it, knocking off the dew. You know, when you deal with any diseases like we did last time, you can tell here. I mean, it's starting to look good. It's filling in really well. I mean, the video really doesn't do it justice. It is starting to look pretty good and thick. In terms of speed, it's still kind of on the slow end. I mean, I'm mowing it at 200 thousandths height of cut. For those of you guys that haven't seen what I'm using a JD220E, and this thing's phenomenal. I had a true cut before, and it was a nightmare to have to sharpen those blades every single time. And this is super easy because it's got the onboard backlapping. I'm just tightening the roll to bed knife using pin high, 120 grit. I usually sharpen it at least once a week, maybe twice, depending on how much I'm mowing. That sand on the green is definitely dulled a little bit. I'm rolling and mowing every other day. This is the poor man's height of cut gauge. I'm using digital calipers, and actually I made that. Got a piece of aluminum bar from Home Depot, drilled and tapped into the bar, and then I got a nut and bolt. But it works fine. Is it 100% accurate? Probably not. All right, now follow me to the backyard. Bracing myself while this thing drives me down the hill. Pop off the tires. Mowing. Now, I'm not the best at editing these videos yet. Just stay with me. They will get better. The practice makes perfect. Last but not least, I get these flags back in. Actually, I need to replace these flags. These are 2 years old, so they're tattered, but they are masters. And you know I had to get my kitchen scissors out and clean up those holes. It'll do just fine. Oof. Maybe I should practice a little before I started recording. How embarrassing. That was a little bit better. long, long. Oh no. Sheesh, this dude stinks. That's all fun. It's a great spot for chipping. It would be awesome if my backyard was a little bit bigger, so I had a longer spot or a longer shot, but hey, it works. Working on the short game. Kids love it too. My good buddy and neighbor, Keith, him and I will play out here in the afternoon and slam a few brewskis back. It's all fun. They're just showing off now. Guys, if you made it this far, I appreciate you watching my videos. Appreciate all the love. Don't forget to like, subscribe, follow along. I'll continue to try to post these at least once a week, and then product reviews spread throughout. Have a good one.